Hi, I'm Bob Swirsel. Today I'm going to take you on the 108th Avenue corridor in Bellevue, Washington. Let's check it out. One Hundred and Eighth Avenue is a north-south bike corridor that passes through downtown Bellevue. It includes the 108th Avenue Northeast Complete Street project, completed in early 2021. You can think of it as the local route, compared to the Lake Washington Loop, which would be the bypass. We'll start at the north end of the corridor at 108th Avenue and 24th Street. You can use 24th Street to access the Lake Washington Loop on 112th Avenue and head north on it to get to the 520 Trail, Kirkland, and East Trail. Let's ride 108th Avenue. The northern section of 108th Avenue mostly uses paint bike lanes in a residential neighborhood. It features traffic calming in the form of speed humps and small traffic calming circles. 12th Street has many connections to the east. To reach them, you can use the wide paved side path on the north side for a few blocks. You can use 12th Street to get to the Lake Washington Loop to bypass downtown Bellevue, 520 Trail towards Redmond, future Spring District 120th Light Rail Station, Spring District, and East Trail. At 12th Street, we start to enter downtown Bellevue. At 6th Street, we can access multiple transportation connections at the Bellevue Transit Center. A block away from that are the future downtown Bellevue Light Rail Station and Bellevue City Hall. Parts of 108th Avenue have a protected bike lane. The protected bike lane on 108th Avenue ends with a diverter, only allowing buses, bicycles, and pedestrians to cross straight through the intersection. The sensors in the ground should detect your bicycle and change the light so you can cross, though I was unable to get them to work heading southbound when I tried. If you turn right, you can use Main Street to access Old Bellevue with its shops and restaurants, Bellevue Downtown Park, Maidenbower Bay Park, popular bike routes through Medina, Medina Beach Park, and the 520 trail to go towards Seattle. As we cross Main Street, we leave the downtown area and enter residential neighborhoods that have a low speed limit. Near the south end of 108th Avenue, we can access a major regional connector, the I-90 Mountains to Sound Trail. If you turn left, you can ride the I-90 Mountains to Sound Trail west to get to Mercer Island, Mercer Island Town Center, future Mercer Island Light Rail Station, and Seattle. If you turn right, you can ride the I-90 Mountains to Sound Trail east to get to future South Bellevue Light Rail Station, Lake Washington Loop north towards downtown Bellevue, Lake Washington Loop south towards Renton, and towards Issaquah. 108th Avenue ends at the popular Anatai Beach Park. Thank you for joining me for this look at Bellevue's 108th Avenue corridor. I'll see you on the next one.